I ain't even finished setting up, y'all, and we got my guy trying to buy these dunks. And this is my first time doing a coin flip, so nah, you got looking for a coin.
Gregory, what the f are you doing?
Just put those hands on.
So it's a 40-50 flip. 50 if I win. 40 if he win. Nah, this Randy Savage. Alright, let's do it.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Call there.
Heads.
Tails, man.
Oh, man. It's all good. I ain't tripping. I lost, but I won at the same time. Appreciate my guy. Crazy. Squad done pulled up on, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. You feel me? Hey, and he liked it with the custom too.
Hold on though. Hoodie matching for it though.
Yeah, you feel me? Too cold. I know it's loud, it's a mug, so I'm gonna have to talk fast because I ain't trying to get that copyright, you feel me? But shoot, I barely got in the door good before, you know, start making some deals and all that kind of stuff. Well, but man, it's looking good, man. It's cool. The booth is looking fabulous. I'm with my dog. Y'all done seen him before. My brother Josiah Fines. Y'all definitely find. Follow that man on Instagram. Hold on, I'm gonna have to cut this up. Alright, so the music doesn't calm down a little bit, so I'm trying to hurry up and talk. Alright, so yeah, the booth looking real good. You know what I'm saying? We're doing like a collab type of booth. But I'm finna show y'all. Alright, y'all, we just made a sale. My guy copping these right here. Hold on, let me show the other shoe. Boom, with 2 hat cashing out. He got the new ones. These ain't even been out a week. Appreciate my guy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. My guy's transforming right now.
Got to, man. Got to.
He went from the beach swag to the South Beach swag.
There we go.
Just sold these. Major steal, $100. Guy had to come back.
Oh yeah.
Had to come back and get them Freddies.
With that being said, I'm going to explain how the
I hate to see him go, but I love to see him leave.
$1 tickets.
I appreciate you.
If you win on one of those, the 9 roll over to each.
Okay, y'all. So it's been a very good day. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna cap to y'all. It's been a very good day. I'm gonna have to show y'all. I ain't even get to show y'all the full booth. I may have some pictures or something like that, but yeah, it's been cool, man. I'll show y'all now.
I got a problem. We just seen her walk around it. You don't ever talk about it unless it's communication about your issues. Anytime I got a problem, you start manipulating me. You crying, need some tissue, but I'm like, I can't even lie, no. I don't wanna lay up with you if you telling lies, no. Turned out like the rest of me, there's really no surprise, so I'm living my life, no. Yeah, I got visions you don't need, you don't really want me.
But yeah, man, we got a Whatnot live today too. So depending on how long this takes and all of that kind of stuff, how much footage I get for that, that may be all in the same video or within another video. But y'all just stay tuned, man. Hopefully we can get some more stuff off and get this chicken.
Just wasting all my time, baby. It's just no surprise, yeah. Baby, let's just call it what it is. You be acting different around me, then you different when you with your friends. So you be in the club, popping bottles up to 3 or 4 in the morning. Next morning I be on the grind, you be just waking up yawning. In a pretty face with a nice body, ain't gon' never leave me feeling used. I'm quick to leave a situation if I feel like I'm getting abused. I be giving all my love to you, but I feel like I don't get it back. And everything that you ask me for be the things that you lack. All our issues be staying in silence. You be resorting to violence, I just be chillin', tryna keep it quiet. If I'm speaking, you starting a riot, baby, you trippin', I don't even try it. I just leave you alone, I don't even wanna talk to you, shawty. I don't even wanna bother you, cause you be trippin' when you in your feelings, shawty. You be talking to your friends, giving opinions, and you be listening too. And you be deep inside your feeling because I ain't trippin', I ain't gonna argue with you. You know how I am, I don't like when we fight.
The event is basically over. I'm packing up right now. We did pretty decent. We can pay a bill or two. You know what I'm saying? Gotta take the banners down, all that kind of stuff, man. So I'm probably gonna see y'all back at the crib. Gotta run this Whatnot live. Actually gotta make some more stuff. Get some hat orders taken care of and all that good kind of stuff. We'll see y'all in a minute. If you want to be successful, man, take it from dude, man. The man is on the ceiling.
It's all in
That
the
was all
details.
black.
It's all
Yes,
in
sir.
the details.
Yes,
You gotta
sir. Let
work
him know.
to get it look good.
Let him know, man. I mean, the man does it all. He's an acrobat, salesman, a thrifter, and then y'all seen him on the DJ booth. It's crazy, right?
Hey, you know, one man can do it all sometimes.
Sometimes. Okay, y'all. So all in all, we had a very successful event, man. I'm gonna start giving y'all some numbers and stuff like that, man, just to show y'all, you know, that this is reality, and just honestly what God can do in your life when you put the work in. You know what I'm saying? You keep your trust in Him. So yesterday we did around at the event maybe like 1,500 in sales, and then got home. I did a Whatnot live. I did like 3 something in sales on that too. So I mean, so all in all, that was an amazing day. We worked hard, got stuff done, man, and it paid off. So you know, with hard work, man, you can accomplish a lot, man. You're gonna have adversity and things to get in your way, but if you keep on pressing through, golly, you know I'm tired. Pressing through and keep your faith in God, man, that He gonna bring you through and give you the strength to handle whatever you're going through. It's gonna happen for you. So I know with some of that, most of it, I gotta pay bills and all that kind of stuff, but I might give me some more paint and reinvest it into the business and stuff like that. Try to keep everything going and up it a little bit, because I gotta get a new heat press, all that good kind of stuff, because mine broke, unfortunately. But man, I appreciate y'all, everybody who watched the videos, like, you know, share some kind words with me, you know what I'm saying, as I was going through my little ordeal. I'm still going through it, but it's all good though. Appreciate my dog for coming up to me. Squad came through once again, which is crazy. I keep on seeing y'all, but I appreciate y'all, man. I love y'all. And alright, I'ma catch you in the net.
I got visions, you don't